Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Namhlanje ukhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale game le. First and foremost, igame namhlanje ngifuna ukuqamba manga. This was one of the best games I've ever seen in a PSL for a while. Ade ngagcina ukubona igame ye-league e-competitive kanje. Yabo, igame namhlanje ibimnandi ngempela, but abantu abamosha igame namhlanje abo-ref. The referees messed up the game big time. This is a big game. You cannot mess up igame enkulu kanje. This was a game of two halves. If we bonile game, this was a game of two halves. Kaizer Chiefs first half bathole an early goal eqhamuka kuChivaviro. Indlela iMamelodi Sundowns ehandlishe ngayo lela goal elikoro Chivaviro, it was very poor from that team because indlela uWilliams as a goalkeeper, uWilliams as a goalkeeper nje bafana number 1 goalkeeper. Mela aqhamuke lapha awubamba ibhola ngezandla. Angayekeli uChivaviro azakhahlele, yabo. Ya equalize Mamelodi Sundowns wakora uRibeiro Costa kwabigame kwabubani 1-1. But la kube khona iscandal khona ilapho khona iMamelodi Sundowns ikora igoli lesibili. Igoli lesibili libange inkulumo eziningi kakhulu. Ngoba musathi ukubheka la kungakabhala umuqa lo mdlali lo la ezantsi lo I think uCosta if I'm not mistaken ube offside. Ama rules e-offside kuthiwani umdlali uma noma angabe uhalf omzimba isifuba siyakora, ikhanda liyakora, intololwane iyakora. So that is an offside kuma rule book nje webhola, yabo. Umudwetshwa umuqa uma masubhaliwe la umuqa uzobona, yabo uhalf umzimba wakhe u-offside. And into engibasela kakhulu, you can see ulinesman wangale kulela side ulinesman wakuleli side ula ezantsi useduze kwanapi. Mina for me this was one of the best games esengayibona nje eniwali ku-PSL, but le game le imoshwe abo-ref. O-ref kule game le bayimoshile igame. And there was a controversial goal eshayiwe isizophela igame. For me that was an offside. That was a clear offside. As ama-fans vele ke ningayiphosa izinto egroundini, but that was a clear offside bafethu. But for me Sundowns la iwine ngosizo lo ref. Asibe nje neVAR bafethu. iKaizer Chiefs idlalile le game. I was doing a live yesterday telling people ukuthi iSundowns ngeke idominate le game le. Bajwayele ukuyidominate iKaizer Chiefs. Ngasho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs kule game le inabadlali, they are those key players abafikayo kule game le, abafikile. uMiguel ufikile kule game le, wakhombisa ukuthi umdlali ngempela. Sirino second half, uSirino uqhamukile second half ngambona. First half uSirino ubelele, but second half we saw Sirino phese edlala ngempela. Wakhombisa ukuthi ufuna ukuwina, yabo. Another player ongimangazile, ucoach ushintshe uChivaviro wazofaka uSayili. Ufuna igoli uzoshintsha uChivaviro uzofaka uSayili. Angiunderstandanga ishintshe ya coach lapha. Umudao ukufikile, umudao bafethu wadlala kamnandi umudao mfethu. Yabona umudao is one of those players mfethu ongahlala phansi bese ubancoma ngempela. Lo amshido uyadlala. Indlela afike ngakhona wa establish ukuthi usefikile egamini. Yabo Pule Modi lapha bembambe ngempela. Overall it was a good game, but it was supposed to be a draw in my books. It was supposed to be a draw. I'm not saying iSundowns idlale kambi. Yabo, o referee aba dictate igame.